Morning students, class 7, chapter number 12, practical geometry, exercise 12.2. In the previous video, we have discussed exercise 12.2 up to question number 6. Now we discuss question number 7. In the question number 7, if possible, construct the triangle with side. आपको ये बताना है कि क्या हम गिवन मेजरमेंट से ट्रायंगल को कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं या नहीं. इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट 6 सेंटीमीटर, 7 सेंटीमीटर, 8 सेंटीमीटर, तो हम ट्रायंगल बना सकते हैं या नहीं. तो ट्रायंगल के लिए बेसिक रूल होता है कि सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन थर्ड साइड. तो 6 एंड 7 इनका सम आएगा 13 विच इज ग्रेटर देन 8. 7 8 15 ग्रेटर देन 6. 6 सर 8 13 14 विच इज ग्रेटर देन 7. तो इट्स मीन इट्स ट्रायंगल इज पॉसिबल. Next 2.5 centimeter, 6 and 6.5 centimeter, 2.5 and 6. Their sum is 8.5 centimeter, which is greater than 6.5. 6 and 6.5. Their sum is 12.5, greater than 2.5. 2.5, 6.5. Their sum is 9, which is greater than 6. So it is also possible. In the third part, we observe that 2 plus 3 which is 5 centimeter and which is less than 6 centimeter. So it's mean it is not possible because 2 plus 3 is not greater than 6. And similarly in the fourth part 4 or 5 their sum is 9 centimeter which is not greater than 9 centimeter. So it is also not possible. So I sure question number 7 is clear. Now just discuss question number 8. In the question number 8, can we draw a triangle two of whose angles are given? ट्रायंगल के अगर आपको दो एंगल गिवन है तो हम ट्रायंगल बना सकते हैं या नहीं, आपको ये देखना है. बिकॉज वी नो दैट सम ऑफ थ्री एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. अगर यहाँ पर अगर ट्रायंगल के दो एंगल्स 90 डिग्री के हैं यानी कि इन दो का सम 180 डिग्री आ गया. इट्स मीन थर्ड एंगल इज 0 डिग्री. And any angle of triangle never can be 0 degree. So it's mean it is not possible. 60 120 their sum is again 180 degree. It's mean third angle 0 degree which is not possible. So triangle is not possible. 120 120 sum is 240 degree which is never possible because sum of three angles is 180 degree. So it is also no possible. 40 45 सम इज 90 डिग्री. इट्स मीन थर्ड एंगल इज 90 डिग्री यानी कि थर्ड एंगल पॉसिबल है. तो इट्स मीन ट्रायंगल इज पॉसिबल. यस 30 60 90 डिग्री. इट्स मीन थर्ड एंगल ऑल्सो 90 डिग्री यानी कि इट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. यानी कि अगर ट्रायंगल में दो एंगलों का सम 180 से छोटा है तो ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है. अगर सम 180 से इक्वल या 180 से ग्रेटर है देन ट्रायंगल इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Question number 9 is cut. Now we discuss question number 10. In the question number 10, we have to draw a right angle triangle in which hypotenuse is 9 centimeter and one side is 5.6 centimeter. Then how can we draw this triangle? So firstly we have to draw its rough figure. So question number 10. So we have to draw a rough figure. It's mean we have to draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. So suppose we have to draw a triangle ABC in which hypotenuse the side opposite to 90 degrees called hypotenuse. It is 9 centimeter and one side you can take AB or BC, it's your choice. So we choose BC 5.6 centimeter. So now we discuss how can we draw this triangle. Okay student, to draw triangle ABC firstly we draw BC 5.6 centimeter. It will be marked two end point, one at 0 and second at 5.6 and join these two end points. So it is a line segment BC 5.6 centimeter. Now we have to draw 90 degree angle at B. Same procedure discussed in the previous questions. Put the compass at B. Draw an arc. Start from BC. Taking same distance. Draw another arc which cut the previous arc at this point which is 60 degree arc. And put compass at this point. Draw another which is 120 degree. Now put the compass at this arc. Draw an arc between 60 and 120. Put the compass at this point, draw another arc between these and join this point to B, which is angle 90 degree. Now we have to draw AC whose length is exact 9 centimeter. So we take the distance 9 centimeter in the compass. Put the compass at C, draw an arc which cut the ray 90 degree angle at this point, and we mark this point as A. Join A to C. AC whose length is 9 centimeter. So finally triangle ABC is a required triangle. I sure question number 10 is clear. Just try it. Okay students, now we discuss question number 11. In the question number 11, construct a right angle triangle with base as 5 centimeter and hypotenuse making angle of 45 degree with base. And we have to consider that the triangle is isosceles triangle, yes or no. So firstly we draw it's a rough figure. It's mean we have to draw a right angle triangle, and we suppose that right angle triangle is PQR, in which base as 5 centimeter. It's mean QR is 5 centimeter and hypotenuse making angle of 45 degree with base. Hypotenuse with base 45 degree angle. So question number 11 is the same question number 6 we discussed in the previous video. In the question number 6 आपको याद होगा we construct the same figure, बस उसकी मेजरमेंट चेंज थी. यहाँ पर 7.5 it is 5 centimeter, angle P 90 degree, it is 45 degree. तो using same procedure you have to draw this triangle, and we observe that these two sides are equal. So finally it is an isosceles triangle. So answer is yes, it is an isosceles triangle. Now we discuss question number 12. In the question number 12 we have to construct a triangle PQR, in which PQ and QR both are 5 centimeter and angle PQR 90 degree. So we have to draw a rough figure in which angle PQR is 90 degree, angle PQR 90 degree, PQ and QR both are 5 centimeter, and after this we have to measure angle QPR. हमें इसके बाद ये वाला एंगल मेजर करना है. तो now we have to construct question number 12. Okay, then question number 12 we have to draw a line segment QR 5 centimeter. So firstly we mark two end point, first at 0 and second at 5, and join these two end point. So it is a line segment QR 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw 90 degree angle at Q using same procedure in the like previous questions. Put the compass at Q, draw an arc, start from QR. Put the compass at this point, draw an arc which cut the previous arc this point, arc of 60 degree, it is arc of 120 degree, and between these two arcs, so it is the 90 degree. And now we have to join this. So it is an angle of 90 degree. Now we to draw PQ 5 centimeter. So we distance in compass distance 5 centimeter, and put the compass at Q, draw an arc which cut the arc of ray of 90 degree at P, and now join P to R. So finally PQR is a required triangle. It is also 5 centimeter. So triangle PQR is a required triangle. Now we have to measure angle QPR. तो with the help of प्रोटेक्टर वी कैन मेजर एंगल 40 या फिर हम सेट स्क्वायर की हेल्प से मेजर कर सकते हैं बिकॉज वी नो दैट इट इज अ एंगल ऑफ 45 डिग्री. यू ऑब्जर्व दैट दिस एंगल इज एग्जैक्ट 45 डिग्री. या फिर आप विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटेक्टर मेजर कर सकते हैं कि द एंगल इज 45 डिग्री. 0 10 20 30 45. तो एंगल क्यू पी आर इज इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री. तो आई श्योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज क्लियर. जस्ट ट्राई इट. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज कट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 वी हैव टू कंसिडर अ ट्राइंगल जिसकी दो साइड गिवन है एंड पेरीमीटर 10.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू ड्रॉ इट्स रफ फिगर. सपोज वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल ABC. We have to draw a triangle ABC in which two sides are given. Suppose it is 4.5 centimeter and it is 3 centimeter and their perimeter is 10.5 centimeter, and we know that perimeter is sum of all three sides. It's mean 3 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter plus AC equal to 10.5 centimeter, and after calculation AC equal to 5 centimeter minus 7.5 centimeter. So AC equal to 3 centimeter. तो इट्स मीन हमारे पास ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड्स हैं. तो सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यू कैन ट्राई योर सेल्फ. इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 3 sides are given and we have to construct the triangle. So please see the video again and try question number 13 yourself. And if you have any problem, you can discuss with me. Thank you very much.